welcome back to another Anayas video on the Lionheart family. And today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a woman for beginners. And these, to keep in mind, this is faceless. We're not going to be going in detail for the eyes, the nose, or the mouth. Okay, so first we're going to start with the sketch. For the sketch, I am going to do a circle for the head, and I'm going to do a line for the neck. And since this is a sketch, I'm not going in detail for anything, so I'm just doing lines like a triangle pentagon basically for the top of the body, and then like basically just a skirt shape for the bottom. Then for the arms, they're basically just lines right now, and I'm gonna put the arm up and one arm bending to the hip. Then for the legs, I'm just doing little triangles, little straight lines for the bottom of the legs. No detail at all put into there. That's just how all my sketches start. So I actually decided to change up one of the arms. I'm going to put that arm down, leave the other arm the way it is, but I just want to fix that arm, make it a little less detailed. So now I'm going over with my semi-transparent paper. It's basically just normal paper over your sketch paper. And now it's here that I'm going over with a little bit more detail. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see the sketch under the paper. So I'm just going over it, but with more detail. So this is going to be one of my more curvy sketches. So I'm just going to round out the shape a little bit, not as straight as before. So now I'm going to go ahead and separate the clothing into a pants and a shirt. And I'm just going to add a little bit more detail in the pants. So now I did decide to change up one of the straps on the shirt and make it a little bit like off the shoulder on one of them, because I don't really use that style a lot. So I thought I'd switch it up a little bit for you guys. And now I'm going to go over with my black pen and just outline the whole sketch. Before I continue outlining, I forgot to do the hairstyle. I don't know if you guys realized that, but I didn't. And I'm just going to do a normal ponytail, and I'm going to continue outlining. So now I'm just erasing all the excess pencil marks on the back of the sketch. So now with my Crayola brown pencil crayon, I'm just gonna do the hair. So now I'm just erasing all the excess pencil marks on the back of the sketch. So now with my Crayola brown pencil crayon, I'm just gonna do the hair, and I start and do the top of the hair, then the bottom of the hair, and it really leaves that white in the middle to make it look more realistic in my opinion. So now with my different shade of brown, I'm going to do her skin and just color that. Now for the outfit, I'm going to give her a checkered top because that's something that I like. And for the bottoms, I'm going to give her blue jeans that are ripped. And to make those ripped holes, I'm just going to, circle around them like what I did just now. So over those ripped holes, I'm just going to use my pen and circle around them and then add lines on the inside. And then I'm going to fill it in with her skin color again. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you really enjoyed my tutorial.